So. Alright, why don't you bring it?
Yeah, no, I missed it. Should I do it on the picnic?
No, just do it right in the grass right there.
Ready?
Make sure it's nice and level or it's gonna fall.
Did you put it on it?
Yeah.
You-
Wait, let me do it over here on the pad.
Do it right here on the edge of the fire pit.
I'm
Did
scared.
you do it right?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. No, wait, don't waste it.